This is a review of 4K dashcam full color night vision. This has 3 cameras and is using STARVIS 2 lenses. It has 3.16 inches screen, 4K Ultra HD video, GPS tracking, G sensor, parking monitor, 3 channels, full color night vision, 5G Wi-Fi, loop recording, and front 170 degrees. Let's open the box and see what we have inside it. Here is the quick start guide and user manual. Let's check the cameras one by one. This is the front camera and it has GPS. Here is the screen. This is the camera inside. 3 M tape and SD card, microphone, USB-C input, rear camera input. Here are the buttons. The camera. Inside camera, you can adjust it however you want. And also you can adjust this area too. And here is the backup camera. USB input right there. And you can also adjust this. Let's check this out box. Here we have some stickers. Let's check the box. Adapter. This is USB-C. 128 gigabyte SD card. And smile, you're on a camera protected dash cam sticker. And here is the cable for the backup camera. Alcohol prep pad. Here are some 3M tapes and attachments. Let's go ahead and install the camera and check the features one by one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the windshield. Let's take this out and put it right here. That's wonderful. Let's do the power source and the camera. Here is the cigarette car lighter charger. Here is USB-C area. I will go ahead and plug it and see the first reaction. Now you can see red area. We have the buttons over here. Let's go ahead and choose English. And put all the dates and time. Miles per hour. We're just going to use miles per hour. Speed unit.
Please insert the memory card.
We're going to go ahead and insert the memory card first. 128 gigabyte. Here is the area. Right there.
Please format the memory card.
Let's try the format. Resolution, mirror flip, loop recording, WDR, EV. Hertz, frequency, G sensor, Wi-Fi, GPS settings, time zone, screen setting, volume setting, sound recording, language, power indicator settings, headlights reminder, driver alert. This is fatigue driver alert, parking monitor, time and date, car plate stamp, video stamp, delete reminder, format reminder, and format SD card, default settings, card information, and version. We're just going to go ahead and format it.
All data will be deleted.
That's correct.
Format successful.
And format successful right now. Let's go back. And we can go ahead and remove the stickers. And I'm going to remove the front one. And here is the front area. Here is the back camera. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this too. Let's do the connection first. We're done with this. We're just gonna use this USB-C like that. And let's put the rear camera. And now we're ready. This is inside the car, rear camera, and here is the front camera. You see there is blue light indicator. That means it's on and it's recording right now. Here is the backup camera. I'm gonna put it in the back area and check the direction if it's correct or not. Now we are seeing the front and inside. Here is the rear camera. Let's go ahead and try to change it from here. Now inside and the front, all of them together. Front only, back only, and inside camera. Let's check the backup camera. This is what you see from outside. Here is the backup camera and the direction is awesome. Here is our application, RoadRec. I'm gonna go ahead and add the device. We are connected right now. You can get the information from here, Wi-Fi section. Now it's being added. It is connected right now. When we look at it, we can see there is kilometers per hour camera switch inside the car and front of the car. Video, photo, playback. There is acceleration, ASL, real-time traffic on and off. Here is route option. You can start or stop recording the routes. You can make a full screen from here. That's the GPS option. We can check the settings. There is resolution. There are two recording options, 4K and 2K. Single recording mode, front cabin mode, front rear mode. Loop recording, mirror flip, WDR, EV settings, frequency, GPS settings, screen settings, volume settings, sound recording, power indicator settings, time zone. Let's go ahead and check the car. Fatigue driving alert, G sensor, headlight reminder, parking monitor, Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and take a ride and see how it's working. Now it's being recorded. Let's go ahead and enter the recorder. Here is the front camera. Check this out. It has 4K quality. Let's change the camera. At the same time, you can see from here, right there. And let's check the inside camera. Hello. And it is showing you the speed. I will go ahead and check the recordings and see the quality. If you want to watch the videos, you're just gonna go ahead and press on playback and you will see all the videos here. Let's see this. If you want to watch the videos, you're just gonna go ahead and you can download it from there. And also it is saving the routes. Downloading video files are easy. I'm downloading all of them. Here is the backup camera. I can definitely suggest this product because it has so many features. The most important thing, it has 3 cameras and it is recording inside, outside and the front. It is using 5G and you can use the application, then you can transfer the files very fast. I put the cable right there and right here, and I'm gonna continue. If you have extra cable, we're just gonna put it inside and we're not gonna have extra cable anymore. Here is the last part. We're just gonna put it inside and we are done. Next thing is the power source. I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything inside and see. Here we have the cable right there and we're gonna continue, put it inside. We're just gonna put the cable inside and close it. Now we are done with everything and we hide the cable right there, here, there, there. For the backup camera, right there. And it's over there. Right now it is recording 3 cameras, front camera, back camera, at the same time, inside camera. I hope my sound is being recorded good. We're gonna go ahead and check it out.